What is a text editor and why do you need one? A text editor is also known as code editor. It is the most basic but the most important tool which you need in your programming career. A text editor helps you write code efficiently and saves a lot of your time. It offers you some amazing features like the following: code folding, code snippets, code formatting, syntax highlighting, code auto-completion, and a lot more. We recommend Visual Studio Code, which is also known as VS Code, and we will be using it throughout our platform. But feel free to use any other code editor of your choice. You can download VS Code from its official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Download the stable version for your operating system, and you will find the installation process to be pretty straightforward. In the description of this video, you'll find VS Code official website link from which you can download it, and a helpful video link with which you can learn VS Code in depth. But you don't need to be an expert at VS Code. For now, just nail down the basics and you are set. See you in the next video.